Welcome to our tutorial on using backup URLs for efficient traffic management. Are you ready to ensure uninterrupted traffic flow even when conditions aren't met? In this video, we'll explain how backup URLs work and how they can help you manage traffic effectively. Backup URL is activated when all your clicks are delivered or when conditions such as T1, QIQ, device, country, etc. are not met. It serves as a fail-safe mechanism, ensuring that traffic keeps flowing even when the primary conditions are not fulfilled. For example, if you have specific requirements set in your Rotator and some clicks do not meet those conditions, the backup URL will take over and redirect the remaining traffic to an alternative destination. You can even create a second Rotator and use it as a backup URL with different conditions to keep your traffic flowing effectively. Unlock the power of backup URLs and maintain consistent traffic flow regardless of conditions. Let's dive in and optimize your traffic management strategy with backup URLs.